Was there any particular scene which you said, no, I can't pull this off, please remove this and all? It's just way too much crossing the line. No?
Yes. There is a lot of changes that me and Praveen discussed, and we got to the character. But even after those changes, it is definitely a really wacky and bold character. So I did, like I said, a lot of things were there which I didn't want to do, and I think वो सब बचपन में कर लिया already. मतलब
बचपन में कर लिया.
बचपन में मतलब in the beginning of my career, I've done the work. I've worn a bikini in Mogudu, yaar. Come on, without a sarong.
You've been part of some really bad films.
I'm telling this on.
I'm telling this on record.
They're going to come and kill you.
In the past, that's what I'm saying.
Whatever I have done, I have given my best. Yeah. Now it's not in my hands if critics like you bash it up or it's not a commercial success. It's not my fault. I am doing my work with full conviction. अब नहीं अच्छा लगता तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
Yeah.
So. But I've been a part of some really weird films, man.
I know. Spoken about it a lot.
I won't say bad, but I've done a range of roles. I mean, today actually I was sitting in the flight and thinking, "Arey yaar, Hemant is going to definitely ask me this question today. What do I answer?" So. किया तुमने? I was thinking. Then I thought, यार, कि I have done a film like a Royal Bengal Tiger, where I'm playing this divorced government officer who is so matured and is like so level-headed and strong. At one place I've done a film like Maro Charitra, which maybe you think is bad or good, I don't know what, but it's a very soft character. And then I've worn a bikini in Mogudu, I don't know where. And she speaks about sex openly, and then from there I've done something like Lahore, where I play a Pakistani psychiatrist, and then from there I'm doing Revolver Rani, which is this crude, rough character, and then there's Great Grand Masti, where I'm playing this innocent, sweet wife. So, I am really proud of it, whatever it is, however the film is. I have never repeated anything, right. So I'm really happy about it.
Right, great. I can understand where you're coming from when you say that.
You can understand?
Of course, I empathize with everybody I meet, so I understand.
That empathy doesn't show in your critic wala review, in your reviews.
That's a different thing about.
That becomes a different thing.
Obviously, only the review becomes a very different thing. Rest all is on one side.
Chalo, theek hai, dekhte hain what you give to Guntur talking. Let me see.
She's almost blackmailing and threatening me. I want all you guys to know this point.
I'm sure everybody does that to you, right?
What? Threaten
you or blackmail you.
Nobody does.
Really?
You're the person. I can see the ghost of Revolver Rani come inside you.
ज़्यादा character में आ गई हूँ, इतनी method actor हूँ मैं.
Damn, and I should have taken tips from Sidhu how to escape from Revolver Rani then.
He couldn't really escape. You don't know what happened. I can't even tell you what I've done to him. It's like unimaginable. Okay. I don't think that's even there in the original Revolver Rani also, what I've done to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm getting really scared now. Right. So, I can understand where you're coming from when you say that it's not in your hands, the success of the film or not. But,
yeah.
But I see a big change in the kind of work that you're doing in the past 2 or 3 years at least.
Yeah.
Even though Ray might not have worked at the box office, but I thought that characterization of yours was a big leap ahead for you. In terms of how you were projected.
Somebody let me perform.
Yeah.
For a change.
Do not like just another girl
just
in the
one
film.
Glam doll standing in the frame, making it pretty or hot or sexy. Yeah,
right.
Yeah, it was.
So, what do you think has caused this shift in terms of how people view you?
See, initially when I came in over here, I took up whatever came to me. Somebody had given me this advice that जो भी आएगा सब sign कर लो. So I was like, okay. So then I had no idea of the market. I had no idea of the directors, producers, heroes, nothing. I was just an outsider for this. And when we come from Bombay, we have a very different view of the South, of whatever we see on Sun TV, Gemini TV and all of that, you know. And so we are of the view that, okay, for example, you come from with the view that South may people like women who are very huge and voluptuous and hefty, which is actually not the case in Telugu cinema. All of us are like very normal, like any Bollywood actress. So you come with these kind of weird notions and you just blindly listen to whoever, whatever, and people tell you, you know, and you're not that, you don't fear the result as much because you don't belong to this city. Since I belong to Bombay, so okay, you know, I know that mere ghar wale and my friends may not even watch that film.
Okay.
So for me, it's just a job that I'm doing.
Right.
So initially, I just kept taking films that came to me. And so a lot of characters, a lot of films I did where I was really not happy with what I was doing on the set. I used to go back and cry after the shot that, oh God, you know, what am I doing? I'm not liking what I'm doing. But just because I was so scared that, you know, I should not be unprofessional and all of that, I would just continue doing whatever was asked from me. Because I felt that as an actor, you don't have the choice to say no. But over the past 2-3 years, I've started saying no to things that I don't want to do. And obviously with now it's been 7 to 8 years in Telugu, so I have a little bit of a name and a little more power to say a no or a yes, or to change something in the script or the screenplay and say that no, you know, I'm not comfortable doing this. Can we just change this, please? Actually, recently I just ran away from a movie.
Okay, this is news. Please, we want more details. Well, Telugu,
I signed
Tamil.
a film not in Telugu, in another language. I won't say which language. Recently, and I went there.
Of course, it's a Kannada film.
I have been asking them for the script for 2 months. The screenplay. I want the screenplay majorly because pehle na what we used to do, we just ask a script. Script में तो चलो story बोल दिया, मैडम ये story, मी character ये है, इतना days है, इतना songs है, यही बोलते हैं. तो I'm like नहीं, screenplay बताओ, मेरा कितना importance है film में, वो बताओ. Yes, character को if I remove from the movie कुछ difference होगा कि नहीं, that also should be there. Because seriously, if you see my earlier films and you remove my character from that film, it will not make any difference to that film. But now it does, whatever work I'm doing. So I was like, screenplay दो, script दो, character दो. They're like, नहीं आप इधर आ जाओ और यहाँ पे आके आपको narration मिलेगा. So I went there, 2 days तक narration ही नहीं दे रहे यार. Then they finally came and I'm like, 2 दिन तो मेरा waste किया एक तो इन लोगों ने. So I'm like, so all of them came, 4 men came and they started narrating not narrating, he's like, मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, कल सेट पे आप आ जाओ, सेट पे आपको नरेशन मिलेगा. मैंने कहा क्या? Sorry, मेरे को अभी चाहिए नरेशन. कल शूटिंग पे, how can I come on the shooting without narration? नहीं मैडम, आपका कैरेक्टर इतना अच्छा है ना, आपको स्टेट नंदी अवार्ड मिलेगा, नेशनल अवार्ड मतलब कुछ तो मिलेगा. I was like, अरे ये सब लोग बोलते हैं सब रोज के पहले. And it was a role of a prostitute, okay? Yeah. I've never done that role till today. And obviously, if you're doing such a character, you want to know the screenplay as to how the scenes will be shot. Definitely, there'll be a love-making scene. Right. How will it be shot? You know, see, Bollywood is a different ball game altogether. If you do a love-making scene or a kissing scene, it's not a big deal because everybody is doing it. But here, it is a big deal if you do a kissing scene or a love-making scene or something like that, and how it's shot also. So I kept asking. So then he's like, अच्छा ठीक है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, आपका एक किसिंग सीन है, आपको रियल किस करना पड़ेगा हीरो को. मैंने कहा ये तो नहीं बोला था आपने मुझे फोन पे. नहीं आपको करना पड़ेगा. एंड फोर्सिबली आई एम लाइक नहीं मैं नहीं करूंगी, मुझे नहीं करना है, ये साउथ है यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते और मुझे नहीं करना है. चीट कर सकते हैं ना हम. नहीं आपको तो रियल करना ही पड़ेगा. जबरदस्ती है क्या? एंड 4 people sitting there. So that happened and then I'm like ठीक है वो देखेंगे बाद में, सेट पे जाके उसको परेशान करूंगी. लेकिन अच्छा लव मेकिंग सीन कैसा होगा? कुछ नहीं, आप ऐसे जाएंगे उनके साथ रूम में, फिर आप बेड पे जाएंगे, थोड़ा बहुत रोमांस होगा, राउंड ट्रॉली शॉट होगा, फिर एंड में ना बस ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि फोन पे आप स्टिंग ऑपरेशन रिकॉर्डिंग कुछ करें. मैंने कहा लेकिन वो रोमांस एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा बेड पे, वो बताओ. No, it's so weird because there are 3 men sitting there. I can't even really ask him much in detail. Till the end, he didn't give me the narration. Okay. So I felt there is something really fishy over here. And then they were like, आपका जो आगे का dates है, मैंने कहा, I told him I have a film release, I have to promote the film. आप वो सब छोड़ दो, आप यहीं पे अभी रहो 1 day. मैंने कहा आपको मैंने clearly बोला कि मेरे पास इतने days हैं, मैं इतना दिन कर सकती हूँ. I have been very professional and particular. I have taken out all my correct time. So you also be professional. They're like, no. They're like, आप अभी छोड़ो सब कुछ. I'm like, ये क्या जबरदस्ती है, स्कूल प्रिंसिपल हो गया आप मेरे. So then I discussed it, you know, my hairdresser, she stays and travels with me. She's like a mother to me. So we were discussing and I told her, I'm feeling really weird, you know, something is very fishy. And they were not even signing the contract, not paying the advance. Everything, they are like, come on the set and do it. So then I told her that, what do we do yaar? Set pe jaake to bahut lafda ho jayega. I don't want to leave a set and create this thing there. let's do one thing, let's run away tonight. We booked a ticket. Without telling anybody from the hotel, we took our luggage quietly at 1:30 in the night. We booked a 5:30 flight to Bombay and we ran away. And the next morning, and then I went to the airport and I messaged them, I'm sorry, I'm not comfortable this way.
Wait, did you check out of that hotel?
No, I told them that I'm going to drop my I told them I'm going to drop my hairdresser to the airport and coming back because they saw us going with the luggage.
Smart, very
smart. It's the craziest thing I've done in my life. I'm feeling like a chore, yaar. So I've run away. So this I would never do before. Actually, I even wanted to run away from before shooting Tingo Tingo also in Balakrishna Sir's film. I thought I'll run away, but I didn't do that.
Dude, you just
run away because for the first time I was doing an item song in a very big film. And I have done one item song in Naresh's film, which was obviously not publicized that much, but I knew that this is his 99th film and it will be publicized a lot. Right. And I was very worried ki kya yaar, matlab, is it okay or not to do, and till the night I was still worried. So I thought once, bhag jaun kya? No, I was like, no. Yahan nahi, Telugu, I can't run away. See, as long as people are professional, they tell me everything, it's fine. Now the same feeling of running away has come to me a lot of times before. Right. But I have not run away and I did it. So, that's why maybe you say that I've done a lot of bad films. But whatever I did on the set, I did it with conviction.